Maybe I am going to do my beautiful slash non-existent eyebrows today. These are my eyebrows before. So I started my semi-best friend, milk of magnesia. A little bit in my cap and use my trusty brush. Just apply it to my eyebrows. I'm just waiting for the milk of magnesia to dry on my eyebrows. I use Maybelline Super Safe Foundation in the shade 360. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. My trusty spoolie and eyebrow brush. I use an angled brush. It's dirty. Sorry. It happened. Eyeliner in the color brown black. See, brown powder that is finishing, unfortunately. So I think my eyebrows are dry enough. What I do, I just brush the hairs into place. I don't really like to do my eyebrows, just saying, as in shape them. I don't like to do it because I draw it on anyhow I take it. So I'm taking my Jordana pencil and I'm following the natural shape of my brow. I am going to say this and I will continue saying it. Your eyebrows are not identical twins. They are Siamese twins. So don't come for me. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to fill them in from about here to the end. Now there's a method that people use when they kind of streak to make it look like natural eyebrow hairs. I know about that life. So I'm gonna fill it in like I'm coloring in a coloring book, like Vibes Carter, see. Understood? Right? This is my brow powder. So for the beginning, because I don't want the beginning as harsh as the end, as I want the ends. While I'm filling it, and I try to brush out that harsh line that you see on the top there and the bottom. I try to brush it out also. No letting go, no. I'm done filling in, y'all. It's now time to conceal the underbrow. Right, I use this. I use it straight from the package because it's very easy to apply this way. So me go so then. Well, I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. Still I got to stick to my girls like glue. And I might not play number 2. All I know the time is just getting jet. Need a lot of cheese up in my head. No, I make mistakes with my eyebrows. Sometimes I draw them on perfectly, sometimes I don't. It happens. Child, what am I doing? Still I gotta stick to my girls like glue. Not play number 2. Right. So what I do to be able to blend it out with my foundation, I just drag it down from here. But I'm not doing a full face, I'm just showing you my eyebrows. And now I go in on top with my foundation because I hate to see that halo look above your eyebrows. That's not it, sis. We're in 2019. Stop that, please. So I put one small pump on my hand. I don't really watch what them want do. Now play number 2. I think I might need my mirror for the spot. I am literally looking at my camera right now and putting on my eyebrows, no mirror. So I'm trying super hard. Listen to me. This eyebrow is giving me trouble. Why? I need my mirror. Okay, see this? I am not seeing what I'm doing. Sorry, y'all. I have to do this one looking away. It's okay, I could fix that. This side I need to fix because as you can see it's very fat and very small, and then this one is like slender going all the way down. So when this happens, y'all, I just come back in with the concealer. Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? Alright, and I just take my brow pen, my brow spoolie, and there you go. And the last and very most important step, ladies, this is a no-no. So what I do, take the rest, either foundation or concealer, anyone you want, and I run it straight down my eyebrows, and then I blend it in. Get on to the early morn, it's all good, girl, turn me on. And there you have it. Don't mind the untidiness underneath here, but that's about it, y'all. I'm done. Let's get it on. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.